Hello everyone, you all are welcome back again to this channel. Let's decorate my birthday cake together, and if you enjoy watching, please like and share. So let's start by frosting the butter. Make sure you are using a room temperature butter and also unsalted butter. So I'm going to use my hand mixer to frost the butter. Then I'll go ahead and add like 2 cups of icing sugar. Make sure you sieve the icing sugar so that there won't be any lumps in it. And after that, continue mixing with your hand mixer. So next I will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and after that I will continue frosting with my hand mixer. Next I will sieve in another 1 cup of icing sugar. Then I'm going to continue frosting until I get a perfect buttercream for my cake decoration. And when making your buttercream, make sure that the hand mixer is on a low heat, and after you are done, use a spatula to gather together the buttercream. Then leave the buttercream in your fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. So next I will take out my cake from the refrigerator. I actually baked this cake yesterday evening, and make sure you give your cake enough time to cool down before you start decorating. So I will cut off the edges of the cake before I start decorating the cake with my buttercream. So now I'll start coating the cake with the buttercream that I made. So guys, don't mind my cake coating skill. Today is actually my first time of decorating a cake, so don't mind the way my cake is looking so rough. So after my cake is well coated with the buttercream, I went ahead to add some whipping cream into a pipe bag to write a happy birthday and also my name on the cake. So this is what the cake is looking like for now. So I'll go ahead to decorate the cake side with some sugar sprinkles, and after that, this is the final look of the cake. Guys, I hope I tried, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.